So today we're going to be making our Garam Masala spice blend. We're going to start by roasting off our whole spices, starting with our cumin seeds. Cumin is a mainstay in Indian households and has a nutty, savory, and earthy flavor profile. Coriander seeds has a mild, sweet, and citrusy flavor. Cinnamon comes from the inner bark of the evergreen tree and adds sweetness to a dish. Cloves, which is a warm spiced nutmeg, and its outer layer, which is known as mace, and both give off a nice little earthy flavor. Dried bay leaves, fennel seeds, green cardamom pods, and black cardamom pods. The difference between them is how they're processed. Anise, which is a showstopper in beauty, and it's got a sweet and a licorice kind of flavor to it. Black peppercorn, which has a rich and spicy flavor. So now we're toasting spices in the pan. We'll be just toasting them on medium to low heat, and we want to see some of the color change and brown a little bit, as well as be able to smell the aroma intensify as the oils and aromas release from the spice. Toast the spices individually, as different size spices will toast at different temperatures and times. Cinnamon, for example, will take longer to toast than cumin seeds because of the size difference. I am toasting my spices on a pan for quicker results, but you can toast them on a flat, dry sheet tray in the oven at about 300 to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for a couple of minutes. Make sure to check often since they can burn within a minute or two. Now we will blend the spices in the spice grinder and then take them out individually. We want to keep aside each spice individually so that we can use them for curries and marinations when we see fit, and the rest we will then mix into our Garam Masala spice blend. Check out the recipe in the description below.